Mr. 76 Dump. We on our way to the Edison Car Show. Just two of the real Chevy boys. You know, the other Chevy boys had other obligations to be other places. So you already know. Still all love. Shout out to all the real Chevy boys. It's me and Chevy Boy Tom right now. He in that candy painted blue, electric blue, cobalt blue, house of color ass Burt right now. That's 72 with that crazy ass nose on it. You already know. With Chevy Boy Scoop, youngest Chevy boy. You dig? And then even younger Chevy boy. Yeah, I mean, about to go do that Edison Car Show. You already know what time it is, man. Mr. 76 Dump. Pull up on my nigga Tom. See them DUBs, motherfucking roller skating on a nigga. You already know, man. Chevy Boy TV, Mr. 76 Dump, Edison Car Show. You did. 76 Dump. We had the motherfucking car show. You already know what it is. Spectators, real Chevy Boy TV. This shit crazy right now. God damn. This shit stupid. We rolled through the first time, but damn, look at the line. Motherfucking purple. Purple shit crazy. Spectators and shit. All the babies. Everything out here. This shit's stupid, y'all. Appreciate it. Alright, appreciate it. Got the 28s out. Got the boy out. Motherfuckers taking pictures and shit. Like shit, got these motherfucking Chevrolets out this shit. Clean ass box on some motherfucking clothing. I should have hit the horn on her ignorant ass for not moving, but it's all love. Let her live. I'll get with y'all in a second as soon as we find a fucking park. Chevy Boy TV, Mr. 76 Donk, nigga. Motherfucking Edison Car Show. You did. Chevy Boy Tom and shit. Lolo. Scoop. Damn, man. You already know. Niggas came out. Goddamn, they got a motherfucking 74 Caprice. You dig? 454. Sitting on them DUBs. Goddamn, okay. That's what it is, man. Niggas doing their fucking thing. Nigga got the motherfucking sheesh. Damn, man. Sitting out here, boy. God damn, boy. Sheesh. Shout out to the LAC.
Yo, you didn't peep the 454 bag, did you?
Yeah, I seen it. Shout out to the LAC, you know, showing love and shit. You know, you got me and Tom and shit. You already know, but god damn, that motherfucker's still moving. Shit. That's what it is, man. Chevrolet TV, Mr. 76 Dunk. We just got out this bitch. It's still kind of early, man. We be out in a second, man. You already know. Mr. 76 Dunk, boxes, floating, dunks. God damn, man. Sheesh. Still, you know, we sit on. That car burned out. It did? What it did? What else did it do? Say hi.
Hi.
Say what's up.
What's up?
Say the real Chevy boys. Say the real Chevy boys.
No.
Why not? Because what? Say real Chevy boys. You don't want to say the real Chevy boys? Because what? What kind of car daddy got?
It's hot.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say peace.